Welcome back, you guys.
It's funny, I was just going to ask her, hey, do you want to say welcome back this time? Sean and Alice here, Bay Real Experts.
Panama City Beach, Florida.
Coldwell Banker Residential Real Estate.
Guess what? We got another one for sale.
With lots of homes that are distressed right now, this is a unique opportunity, you guys, because this one, you can actually move right in. So if you've been on the hunt for a home for your family, you need to put a roof over everyone's head, this is a great opportunity. How many bedrooms and bathrooms
Four
is
bedrooms.
this?
4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. The house was built about 2 years ago. Really cute, well-maintained. Tile in the living rooms. 2408 Wakulla Drive in Panama City. That will be in town.
We'd love to show it to you guys if you are interested in seeing it. And if you have property that you need to sell, we'd love to help you with that too.
Our contact information is below. Give us a call.
Thanks for watching, you guys. And please don't forget
to subscribe.
Yes.
Hit subscribe. Thank you.
We'll talk to you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye for now.